శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 838th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 46th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, when Arjuna was talking to Urvasi got shocked to hear from Arjuna in a different way, and then Urvasi responding to Arjuna like this: O Arjuna, Chitrasena came to me and asked me to come to you. Now what exactly happened I will tell you. When you came down to Svargalokam, there happened a big celebration. In that celebration, Rudras, Adityas, Aswinis, Vasus, Maharshis, Rajarshis, Siddhas, Charanas, Yakshas, and so many Nagas, all of them were sitting in their own places, and Gandharvas were doing Veena Nadam and singing. Then so many Apsarasas did dance. At that time, I was also doing dance. In that assembly, Tvam kila nimishah pardha mamekam tatra drushtavan. You were staring at me without even blinking. So after that Mahotsavam is done, all the people, Devatas and Apsarasas, everybody went back to their own abodes, and Devendra sent out everyone and then sent Chitrasena to me. Chitrasena came to me and said, O Urvasi, Devendra conveyed a message to you through me. That is, you have to go to Arjuna. O Urvasi, Sakratulyam Ranesuram. Arjuna is such a great soldier like Devendra, and he is always Sada Audarya Gunanvitam, always filled up with so many great qualities, compassionate qualities. So you need to go to Arjuna. That is what Chitrasena said. O Arjuna, then I came to you. It is because of your father Devendra's orders I came to you. Not only that, Tvad-guna-krishta chittaham anangavasamagata chirabhilashito veera mamapyesha manoradhaha. Your great qualities attracted me, and for a long time I have been craving to come to you. I have that wish. Like that, when Urvasi said, while Urvasi talking all these words, Arjuna was unable to hear these words, and Uvacha Karnau Hastabhyam Pidhaya. Arjuna closed his both ears and felt ashamed to hear all those words from Urvasi. And now responding to Urvasi like this. What Arjuna saying, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.